Usa sila sa mga gikahinamang music artists o nag-viral sa social media with millions of followers gikan sa nagkalain-laing nasod. Aduna usab sila mga videos nga hinimo dinhi sa Pilipinas. Gikan sila sa The Mofats nga 90s boy band ug sa way paglangay-langay pa atong ilailahon sila Bob and Clint Mofat ang mga miyembro sa Music Travel Love. Hi guys! Welcome to our morning show. We're so glad to have you this morning. Can you please introduce yourselves?
I'm Bob. I'm Clint.
How are you two and what have you been doing lately?
We've been, making some trips here in the United States, but mainly just in our little studio here, making music, writing, and just, having a lot of fun, really.
Let's talk about your career and how you started your career as part of the Mofats. Can you take us back to how your band started?
Well, the Mofats was a big part of our lives earlier on before all this happened, and it allowed us to get over to many different parts of the world and meet amazing people. And it's really really what kickstarted this concept probably for us is because we were able to see so much of the world during those days. And kind of gave us a love for travel and love for, exploring and things like that. So, but Music Travel Love, it's been, just a really cool thing to see it grow and evolve into what it's become. Where it's taken us, again, kind of around the world a few times, and so we're really grateful for it. And it gives us also a chance to spend more time with the family.
Why did you two decide to pursue and continue your career in the music industry?
Well, I think it's just from a young age. It was something that our family, all of our family, were pretty much into. Mom was a singer. Our dad, was a singer as well. But more than anything, he was kind of involved in the music industry or had a desire.
I bet everyone's curious about Scott and David. How are they?
David and Scott are great. Scott's living in. He spends part of his year in Montreal, Canada, and the rest here in Tennessee, which is where we live. And he's making records. Probably working on his solo stuff, but he did a lot of stuff.
How did you come up with your name, Music Travel Love?
Music Travel Love. The name was just really a simple, thing where we were both discussing what we wanted to do and. Over the next little while, and music was one of them, traveling was one of them, and then spending time with our family. Those were kind of the three most important things at that point in time that we wanted to put our focus on. So,
why did you guys decide to make your music genre into acoustic?
What we do acoustically feels good in that environment, and it's kind of creating the atmosphere that we want to create on that channel, which is, peaceful, calming. Feelings for people, and that's sort of what we're, the feedback we're getting, and a lot of the people that watch that channel, they feel that, and that's what we're trying to create, and it's really nice that that's actually the way people are perceiving that channel, and they're getting a lot,
We've noticed that some of your music videos were actually shot here in the Philippines. How was your experience shooting those?
We were able to shoot, I think, maybe 3 videos. And it was a great experience. all the videos were different, had different feels to them, and it's always been important for us to get over there and do something, because they've been so supportive of our careers.
We've been there a ton of times. I think over a dozen times we've been to the Philippines. Every time has a new experience for us, and it's always a new journey, something for the memories.
What do you guys love the most about the Philippines?
There's so much to love, about the Philippines. I would say that probably it's like any place that leaves a lasting connection is usually the people, that makes you want to go back and spend more time.
And what is new with you guys this year?
We're working on, building, continuing to build the Music Travel Love channel and brand, as well as we have a kids channel called Music Travel Kids, and we're really diving into that space, really working on creating content to teach kids through music, and also we're working on developing a show as well.
And before we end our interview, what song would you two like to share to your fans this morning? Can you please give us a sample?
I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven.
And of course, what's your message to all of your fans who are watching us right now?
And we're grateful for all that, all the support throughout the years. And, you know, without you guys, Music Travel Love isn't doing what it's doing right now. So thank you guys so much.
Thank you so much, Bob and Clint of Music Travel Love. Thank you, guys.